Hello, wonderful learners. Krishna Sharma here, and welcome back to Kredict. In the first part of our portfolio website project, we build the foundation. Today, in the part 2, we will complete the picture. We will add the essential contact me section and showcase our projects. Let's dive in. First, review the first part. Before we begin, let's quickly review what we have accomplished in first part. We have set up the basic structure, added sections of bio, skills, and project, and created a visually appealing layout. If you missed it, be sure to catch up. Now let's complete our portfolio website. So just I want to take the HTML and CSS code from the first part. So I have just pasted here HTML and CSS from the first part. Now let's showcasing our project. So we have to just add the project section. So just I want to go live and ensure you whatever we have built. So here we have the credit, like we have the heading, web developer, and about me section, skill section, and project section, and contact me. So project and contact me section are remaining now. Let's build them. So just take this and add in the project section. So here we have the class name projects, and first we have the image, then we have the project detail. So in the image we will paste here our project image, like you can just paste here the screenshot of your project. And here in the detail, first in the S3 we will give the heading of our page project, and then in the paragraph describe your project, and then whatever technology used in your project like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And then you have the a link to your project view project, and then you have a GitHub link, like your repository, GitHub repository link. So you can just understand this. Just you can see this. Here we have a project section. Just I want to give some image. So just so you can see this is our project section with two links, view project and GitHub repository. So like this we can just paste this, how many projects you have, just copy this and paste them. Like we have a 4 projects, so just paste them as a 4 times. So 1 2 3 and 4 5. So I hope you understand this. So next we have the part contact page. So adding contact form. Now let's ensure that people can connect with you. We will add a contact me section with a simple and effective form. Let's make it user friendly and visual appealing. So just copy this and add after the project section. So here we have a section with ID contact, and first we have a contact me in h2 tag like heading, and we have a form tag. In the form tag we will make the form. So first we have the name part. We will give the name in label and input with text and ID name, and this is required. And then we have a email section with label email and input type email. And then we have a text area with label message. So we have here 3 input section. First we have text like for name, and then we have email, and then we have text area for message. So next is button for submitting your send message for you. So just take you can see this. Here we have a contact. So without CSS the HTML is looking this. Oh, okay. So after adding the CSS, you will get your form page is user friendly. So this is just, we have a verse 2 and 3. So here we have 1 2 3 input sections. So first I want to fill this, and here we have, and just write anything and send this. I hope you understand. So after this, so just, you will not get what is styling, but I will style this page. So as we integrate this new section, let's also refine in our styling to ensure a cohesive and polished look. We want your portfolio website to not only showcase your skill but also provide a pleasant user experience. So we have to just copy this style. I am not here to explain the styling, so I am not explain this. So just over for overviewing, first we have to give a project for display flags and align item center, margin bottom 30 pixel, and same as in project image. You can see this. We have a contact page, very pleasant. You can see this, and also our project section is also looking great. So this is our portfolio project using only HTML and some CSS. I hope you get this and you like this. With your project showcased and a contact me section ready, your portfolio website is almost complete. But remember, this is your canvas. Feel free to customize, add your personal touch, and make it uniquely yours. Congratulations on completing your portfolio website. If you enjoyed bringing your projects and contact form to life, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Kredict, and hit the notification bell. Your journey in web development is evolving, and there's always more to explore. Until next time, happy coding, and I will catch you in our next adventure.